Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Is the bearish market over? And of course, if it is over, we are going to talk about the death cross and so on. But before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription via our brand new website right there, Bill Minds Your Crypto. You can just one click to join and you can cancel anytime you like. You can see all the benefits. You can communicate with me via Telegram or whenever if you like via the website, and you can send a message on the email. Okay, so do not forget to click about it. We are very excited about this stuff. Let's go right now to Bitcoin. And on Bitcoin right here, you can see that on the daily frame, we have more room to grow. We will see also the bearish cross we had between the 50-day MA and the 200 exponential moving average. This is the death cross. Okay, we had one back here, you can see, but after that you can see that we fell down a little bit, okay, with Bitcoin, but we didn't reach a different bottom. We had reached the same bottoms we had seen back here, for example, on 18 May, 19 May, back on 22 June, etc. Okay, let's see some other historical data of the death cross, the so-called death cross. Okay, it doesn't mean that the price will go more down. The death cross happens because the price has already gone down so much over the last few days to few months that, in spite of the fact that we had a very nice pump up after the price dropped so much back on November and December. So that made the death cross. But it is a lagging indicator like all the other exponential moving averages, and whenever we go down you can see that we have the bearish cross right here between the 200 EMA and the 50-day EMA, and we had already gone down before on 12 March on the Evergrande episode. And after the bearish cross, you can see the death cross. Actually, you can see that the price of Bitcoin was going even higher. Okay, so it isn't necessary that we have a bearish cross, a death cross, and we go all the way down. Sometimes we are just going sideways. For example, back here on 23rd November, we were going sideways. Okay, and of course this was a perfect time for reaccumulation. For me, whenever we have a death cross, it is a perfect time for reaccumulation. Okay, so right now I do not think that you should be scared about. Before here that the 200 EMA appeared back on 2017, if we start the technical analysis from 2017, we had a bearish cross right here and we dropped even more. Yes, but this was the only time that we had a major cross, a round bottom pattern right here. You can see after the squeeze point right there, we had a round bottom pattern, and then we went even higher all the way. So if we go back here where we are right now, you will see that we have the death cross, but at the same time, do not be afraid. This doesn't mean that we are going all the way down. Maybe it is the perfect time, or not maybe, surely it is the perfect time for a reaccumulation phase. You can see back on the weekly frame what we have right here is the commodity channel index being into an oversold situation. Same with the stochastic RSI and same with the Fisher transformation that has gone below the -2 right now. We have every risk right there that we can say that potentially this is a perfect time for reaccumulation. Does that mean that we are going upside in the next 1 to 2, 3 days? It doesn't mean that. However, it means that around 1 month to 2 months, I strongly believe that Bitcoin will be going even higher and will have a breakout. Will it reach the 69k? I'm afraid I do not know that, okay, and I cannot suggest something like that. But at the same time, all I know is that we are going for sure above the 51.5k and maybe to the 54k. So if we are going to talk about the death cross, that doesn't mean that we are going all the way down. They are lagging indicators just like the other exponential moving average, and this is something that you should know. I believe that this market right now that we are in is totally different, actually a little bit different than the 2017. More adoption right there, and of course more people know technical analysis, and this helps because of the fact that right now most of the people know that this is an accumulation phase, and most of the institutions as well. They have more historical data, and of course we have recent data of the death cross and how this was a very nice reaccumulation phase. Even if we went from the death cross right here that happened, you can see that we had the death cross around there, and you can see that this was the bottom of the death cross, 22nd June, and this was the bottom of all bottoms right there. Okay, we had it actually one day between these 2 days, and of course this was a perfect time for reaccumulation. I believe it will happen the same, because if you compare the death cross with the risk metrics that we have, for example, even on the daily frame, you will see that if I click and zoom in on the Fisher transform, you can see that we are below the blue dotted line. That is very good. We are in an extreme oversold. We had the same with the daily RSI, although we can drop even more, okay, and the daily commodity channel index, and of course the daily stochastic RSI. I truly believe that we are going maybe to test the 20-day exponential moving average, and from there we are going to decide if we are pumping up right now or we wait a little bit more till we pump up. Either way, this is a very good time for reaccumulation, okay. And of course, this is not a financial advice, it's my personal humble opinion right there for Bitcoin. And I truly believe that we are going even higher than the 51k. We can go to the 54k and the 53 around there. I truly believe that. And from there, we are going to see what we can do. For example, I'm not sure if we can manage to go even higher above the 69k. I have two theories. The first one is that we are possibly going to go even higher towards the next months, the next 5 months actually, above the 69k. And my second theory is that we are going to have a swing high, consolidate after till September 2022, and from there have a very nice swing high above the 69k for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription via our brand new actually website, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.